Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Learn Skills TI Square. Teach, innovate, and inspire. Mm, yes. If you want to watch my other videos, open your browser, go for www.google.com and type YouTube Learn Skills for you. Then you can go to my channel and you can see some other videos related to networking. This video is basically designed for the network beginners. In this video, you are going to see about ccna introduction, and this is divided in two parts. In part 1 you are going to see about the first part, what is all about ccna. The second part speaks about router. Fine. Before that, I want to give a rough idea about the different platforms involved in networking. In networking you have Microsoft platform, Red Hat, and Cisco. And if you want to know about other platforms, I have given a detailed view over there, but right now in this video I am going to speak about the Cisco platform. If you are good enough in Windows administration, then you can go with server Windows administration, then you can go with Microsoft certification. But if you are good enough in Linux administration, then you can go with Red Hat certification. Now let us see about what is about the Cisco. Cisco is a company which provides routers and switches. Right? This is the company which provides routers and switches. And to handle these types of routers and switches, it, it is giving some different levels of courses such as CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate, followed by CCNP, Network Professional, Security Professional, Voice Professional, and at last IE. This is considered to be infrastructure engineer. Uh, once you are once you have done this course and after being certified in this CCIE, this is considered to be the peak level in the Cisco. Then it is regarded as a very good course and level in Cisco, and you can expect even high pay salaries if you are going with CCIE. And there are also good salaries offered towards CCNA and NP2, but at the start level you need to go with CCNA. Once you have pursued this course, then later you can go with the certification, Cisco Certified Network Associate. Okay. Now if you are watching this video, you should be knowing what about what actually is a LAN network, right? What is a LAN network? How does it work? How it is connected? You should be knowing by these points, because to watch this picture it is necessary to have the knowledge about the LAN network. Fine. So hopefully I go with an idea that you do have knowledge towards the LAN network. Then I'm proceeding further. Let us consider two offices, one office in Hyderabad and other office in Warangal. Fine. This is considered to be head office and this is considered to be branch office. In this particular picture I am going to explain about the router. I'm not going to explain about how you are going to assign an IP address, how the systems are connected to the switch, right? How you are going to make the router status app, but I am going to explain what is the purpose of the router here. Fine. See here, one office is present in Hyderabad. The department I consider here as IT department. In IT department, for example, I have three systems over here: 10.2, 3, 4, they are connected to the Ethernet port of a router. Fine, that is 10.1. Now this 10.2, 10.3 and 10.4 is considered to be a LAN network, and they can communicate and they can even ping up to 10.1. But what if there is a department in Warangal, there is a telecom department, what if system 1 need to communicate with system 4? Rather, I say that the total IT department want to communicate with telecom department. Rather, in one shot, I want to say that the 10 network want to communicate with 11 network, and the 11 network need to communicate with 10 network. In such scenario, you take the router, the picture of router comes here. The purpose of this router is to enable the communication between two different networks. So you can see here in this picture, in this diagram, there's a router in Hyderabad and there's another router in Warangal. So once you make the configuration over here, then these networks, this 10 network able to communicate with 11 network, and the 11 network able to communicate with 10 network. So router is a hardware device. So what you have got from this, router is a hardware device, and routing is a process where the packets are moved from source to destination. To move that packet, the router chooses the best path over here. So the best path the router opt to move the packets from source to destination is considered to be routing. So router is an hardware device. The process of moving the packets is known as routing. Fine. So that is the purpose of a router, is to communicate between different networks. Thank you. If you do like, subscribe to my channel and share it.